When seconds count, trust Securight. Introducing India's most demanding and secure intruder alarm system by Securight Systems. Your first line of defense in protecting what matters most: your home, your family, your peace of mind. Advanced motion detection, 24/7 monitoring with instant alerts. Smartphone integration for real-time control. Tamper-proof technology for unbeatable security. Trusted by thousands across India. Because safety isn't optional, it's essential. Choose smart. Choose Securight. Call now or visit at securitysystem.com.